Hello friend. You don't know me, but I know you. There's only one way to survive this game. You must subscribe to this channel and like this video. You better hurry up. Make your choice.
That was fun.
Hey guys, H4CKER here. As a small business owner myself. Today,
Did we get attacked by those people? Can you stop attacking? Stop. We're gonna cry. Bro, stop. Because, like,
Hola.
I wasn't
That
scared.
man.
It's just like, what the heck?
What the f? What's the word?
You always get this key. What?
How the f you just do that, bro? Hey there. How you
What?
doing? How the f you doing that, bro?
We saw you.
Are you gonna do like a summoning ritual?
Yes.
Oh my god! What the fuck? No, my eyes are playing with me.
What happened?
What the? Oh my god.
Hello,
Oh,
are you okay?
oh my god, what the
Screenshot,
Oh
bro.
my
I'm gonna cry though.
god?
What?
I think it's skipping, but I don't. You can hear me, right?
No.
Wait, you. What the? What the? What the? Are you real? What the?
What? Do you think I fake?
Bro, I'm tripping. What the? I'm tripping.
Skateboard.
I'm tripping.
Hold on.
I'm tripping. Okay. Oh my god, what the? Get the It keeps skipping around, but I don't know if it's real or not. The fuck? Oh my god, I'm gonna throw up. I don't know if we got it in. Girl, okay, can you hear me?
I can, yeah. What's going on?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, I don't know if it's I don't know if it's gone, but there's like this it's terrifying. Like clown guy, he kept like disappearing but then reappearing, and then he said look behind you, and then I'm having a panic attack.
Yeah, I think you should call the cops and not be on a chat website.
Well, it's not the website, it's the app.
Do something about
You better shut up.
Oh my god, yep. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Miami. Florida.
What is funny?
Miami. Are you from Miami?
No, I'm not. I'm not from Miami.
big friend.
сотка. Он делится типа видео другим.
Are you from
Why? Are you from what?
Russian?
Показывай, что мы с России. Мы не... No!
Yeah. Ты у нас sana.
That was so
You
fun.
like high C?
Wendy's.
Yep.
Wendy's.
It's high C.
No, that's Wendy's. That's Wendy's.
No, you
Huh?
just saw that. You didn't see that?
Hey.
You wanna play game?
Whoa. You wanna play a game? I wanna play some games.
Oh, you didn't see that.
Uh-oh, I got an email from Jigsaw. That was scary. Right when you fucking did that shit, got email, bro. What the fuck you doing on my laptop? I'm about to bust it on my laptop.
Well,
How is he doing this?
who just screamed?
How you do that? Are you
What?
fucking with me?
That guy's real. No.
Oh,
Okay,
wait.
Someone's take. So you know how we're on Omega Ray? Okay. Well, someone is. It's like cross thinging our things together, so they can be in between it the whole time. Whoa. That scared the living shit out of me.
You're scared, bro?
What the f?
You didn't expect I can come back, huh?
Wait, how are you in different things though?
Yeah, because I'm hacking you.
No, okay, I saw these things on YouTube, but it wasn't the
Oh.
same people. It was the same people the whole time, but it's different people. How are you crossfading like different people? Just with
Yeah,
me? Like,
because
you
I'm
stick-
hacking this website.
Dang, boy.
Do you do?
I will show you.
Do you post? You post this? Oh my god!
I can.
Please tell me you didn't.
What?
Someone's fucking with me. Someone's in
What did
between my shit. It's like Jigsaw or something.
I will show you something. Do you know who is this?
What the?
Yeah?
How the fuck do you get a picture of that?
You believe me now?
How do you get a picture of that? That's my.
I told you before, because you don't believe me.
Hi.
Okay.
You guys make
listen,
it so fucking
hold up.
awkward. Hi.
After what?
I
How
said
am I being
hi.
awkward?
No, like.
Okay, hi.
Oh.
What'd you see? You saw Jigsaw or something, didn't you? Yeah, you did.
Sister,
someone-
sister.
Dude, stop. No. Fucking Jigsaw's in between my shit. Oh my god, bro. This is fascinating. I'm gonna be honest.
Emo.
¿Qué le pasó al puto?
Baguette.
Hello.
Los dos son...
What? Oh my god.
What? What happened?
happened? Stop.
No.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What is happening?
What? It's okay.
No, I'm